Alrighty, made some progress on the 30-meter transceiver here. If I can get the light any better on it. Anyway, I got the receiver put in and it's working pretty good. Let me tune around. Well, first let me show you what it looks like. Then we'll tune around for a sec. Okay, so in the last video I had the VFO mounted here. This little board here contains the RIT, the 8-volt regulator, transistor to switch DC power for the transmitter, and that'll go right in here, of course. But here's the receiver. It's a little bit longer than I wanted, but it's all on one strip. It unplugs the front panel, all the controls. I can unplug the front panel, take it off quick, or just unsolder the VFO input and the power to the receiver and it'll pop right off. Hopefully I won't have to take it off a lot, but that's what it looks like. Real quick, the antenna comes in here, goes through a pre-selector, NE612 mixer oscillator, mixes it down to 4 megahertz, Varactor DC tuned variable bandwidth IF filter. Product detector, a pair of JFET switches because it's balanced audio going into the LM386, and I'm going to try to partially shut those off during transmit so a little audio sneaks through. That'll act as a side tone. And there's a transistor, where is it, up here, right here, that shorts the RF input to the receiver to ground during transmit, but the power remains active to the receiver, so hopefully I'll have a side tone, 100% QSK, and it'll all work together real nice. By the way, these fancy feet that you see here are prescription bottle caps. Just something to keep it elevated a little bit. Anyway, the band was open pretty well to Europe a little bit earlier, about an hour earlier. I don't know what it's doing right now, but I'll give you maybe a quick demo of how the receiver works. I'll turn the volume up. Not real happy with that volume control, but I got another one to replace it with. For one thing, it doesn't turn the volume all the way off, and it's a new control. I bought a bag of 5 of them. So I'll try another one. I should have checked it before I put it in. Anyway, volume, RF gain, IF bandwidth, RIT on and off. Headphone jack's not wired up right now. That's the bandwidth all the way open. Probably 2 kilohertz, maybe a little bit more. And you can hear it narrow up at the expense of increased insertion loss, of course. But let's see if we can find some signals here. And again, that ticking sound will disappear once I get it all enclosed. Cubans are loud tonight. Anybody need to work on the Workdoll Eduardo Award? He's very loud on 30 right now. Working on paying the rent. There you go. C-O-A-L-Y. It's funny. I've worked Eduardo here, I think, on every band on CW. Anyway, that's where we're at. Transmitter's coming up next. Everything's rolling along just hunky-dory. This is a fun project. It's going to be even more fun to use this thing. So keep on tinkering, everybody. I'll keep you updated. See y'all later.